The Supreme Court has also refused to hear a case challenging Arizona's death penalty law. Reporter Ariana Bustos is tracking the latest from our Washington bureau.
The Supreme Court refused to hear a case today, which argued that the death penalty requirements for Arizona are too broad.
Abel Hidalgo was sentenced to death after he pleaded guilty to two 2001 gang-related contract killings in Phoenix. On appeal, Hidalgo argued that Arizona has so many factors that allow for the death penalty, virtually anyone convicted of first-degree murder can face execution. The Arizona Supreme Court disagreed, and the United States Supreme Court today refused to review the state court's ruling. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Robert Dunham, executive director of the Death Penalty Information Center, says today's decision is not the end of the line for the issue.
This only means that the United States Supreme Court isn't going to review this case at this stage of the proceedings. It doesn't mean that the issue's been resolved against them.
Dunham noted that 4 justices who disagreed with the Arizona Supreme Court ruling, but said they needed more evidence to consider Arizona's statute. Dunham said despite the fact the court has decided not to review this case, he said the questions it raises are still not resolved.
When the United States Supreme Court decides not to review a case, it doesn't mean it's rejecting the claims that were presented. So this issue is still in Mr. Hidalgo's case, and it's still present in the cases of all the other Arizona death row prisoners who are challenging the constitutionality of the statute.
There are currently 116 inmates on Arizona's death row. Reporting from the Supreme Court, Ariana Bustos, Cronkite News.
Hidalgo was not the only Arizona death row challenge turned away by the justices today. The Supreme Court also declined to hear an appeal from Scott Claiborne. He's been on death row since 1983 for the sexual assault and murder of a University of Arizona student.